In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a 50-day moving average in TradingView. Moving averages are a powerful tool used by traders to identify trends, smooth out price data, and make informed trading decisions. Today, we'll focus on incorporating a simple moving average, or SMA, with a 50-day period to your TradingView chart. This moving average helps in spotting long-term trends by showing the average price over the last 50 days. To get started, make sure you've opened your chart in TradingView. This is your digital workspace where you'll be analyzing and monitoring your selected financial instruments. Once your chart is up and running, direct your attention to the top of the page where you'll find the Indicators button. You'll either click that button, or, if you prefer using the keyboard, press the / key to open the Indicator search menu. With the Indicator search menu displayed, you're going to type in Moving Average into the search box. You'll notice several options popping up, but what we're looking for is the built-in Simple Moving Average, or SMA for short. Go ahead and select that option. Now, right on your chart, you should see the SMA line appear. By default, the length of this moving average is typically set to 9, reflecting a short-term trend. However, our goal today is to adjust this to a 50-day moving average to capture those more significant, longer-term trends. Hover your mouse over the SMA label, usually located in the top left corner of the chart. This label serves as a handy reference and access point for adjusting your moving average settings. Once you hover over it, you'll see a small gear icon appear to the right, which is your settings icon. Clicking this gear icon will open up the settings menu for the moving average. When you're inside the settings menu, look for the length option. This is where you'll input the number of days you want your moving average to cover. Since we're aiming for a 50-day period, you'll go ahead and change the existing number to 50. Doing this adjusts the moving average to reflect the average of the closing prices over the past 50 days. Additionally, within the Inputs tab, ensure that the source is set to Close, which is the typical setting for most traders, as it uses the closing price of the asset to calculate the average. Another thing to verify here is that the time frame is set to Same as Chart. This ensures that the moving average calculation corresponds to the specific time frame you are analyzing on your chart. Once you've made all these adjustments, click OK to apply the settings. At this point, your chart now features the 50-day moving average, making it easier for you to visualize longer-term price trends and make more informed trading decisions. And there you have it, a simple addition to your chart that packs a significant punch in your trading strategy toolkit.